artificial intelligence will not destroy the world, and in fact, may save it, says Marc Andreessen, co-founder of venture capital firm Andreessen Horowitz. Matt Clifford, an advisor to UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak on AI, has recently warned that artificial intelligence will be advanced enough to kill many humans within 2 years. Fortunately, I am here to bring the good news. AI will not destroy the world and in fact may save it, wrote Andreessen in an almost 7,000-word essay. Andreessen has also emphasized the immense potential of AI to enhance various aspects of human life. The billionaire venture capitalist predicts that teaching and learning will be entirely different with AI. Children's education, in particular, will witness an entirely different scenario in the near future. Every child will have an AI tutor that is infinitely patient, infinitely compassionate, infinitely knowledgeable, infinitely helpful, argued Andreessen. Like and subscribe for the most relevant news about the world of the metaverse.